If you're a Christian single woman between the ages of 45 and 25 and 45, and you keep asking yourself questions like, why do I keep attracting the wrong man? Why do relationships start strong but end in confusion or heartbreak? Or why do I feel ready for marriage but the right man has not appeared? Then stay with me for the next few seconds. Because in this training, I will show you why many intelligent, beautiful, prayerful women still struggle to choose the right partner and what must change before the right relationship can happen. But let me be clear, this message is not for everyone. This is not for women who are not willing to do the inner work. This is not for women who want magical husband without emotional preparation. This is not for women who want to keep repeating the same relationship patterns. This message is for intentional Christian women who want to build a marriage the right way. Now, let me introduce myself. My name is Oyediamoja Akudnobi. I'm a certified family system engineering practitioner from the Institute of Family System Engineering Development and a licensed preparing for Bliss facilitator from Start Your Marriage Right Academy. I'm also the founder of the Blissful Marriage Academy, where we help singles and married women build emotionally healthy and spiritually grounded marriages. I am the creator of transformational programs such as Chosen for Love and Marriage, People Before Partner, Finding Your God-Ordained Partner, Pathway to Blissful Marriage, and the Blissful Marriage System. I'm also the author of 7 books on relationship and marriage, and I have been married for the past 17 years with 3 children. But most importantly, I started this mission because God instructed me to. And over the years, I've watched too many women suffer emotional turmoil simply because they were never taught how to prepare for love properly. That is why I created the Chosen for Love and Marriage. Let's talk about the real problem. Many Christian women believe that if they pray enough, fast enough, or wait long enough, then the right man will appear. Here is the truth. Marriage success is not built on hope alone. It's built on preparation. Many singles struggle in relationship because they were never taught how emotional wounds influence personal selection, how childhood patterns affect relationship choices, and how to identify emotionally healthy men, and how to build the internal foundation required for a thriving or blissful marriage. So what happens? A woman meets a man. There is chemistry. There is excitement. But later, she discovers emotional immaturity. She discovers lack of leadership. She discovers a lack of commitment. And before she realizes it, she's emotionally invested in the wrong person. That is why so many women repeat the same painful relationship cycles. The problem is not that good men do not exist. The problem is that relationship preparation is lacking, or the person has not undergone emotional healing to prepare herself. That is why I created Chosen for Love and Marriage Guided Program, where we teach women how to build the emotional, spiritual, and psychological foundation required for marriage, where we help women to heal from rejection, trauma, and heartbreaks, and be prepared to attack the kind of man they deserve. Because marriage does not begin at the altar. It begins with who you become before marriage. So inside this framework, we focus on healing emotional wounds, strengthening boundaries, and preparing for healthy partnership. When a woman becomes whole internally, she begins attracting different kinds of men externally. Let me show you how this transformation happens. The first thing we help the woman to do is to discover the trauma or the rejection or the heartbreak that have been hidden in their hearts, which they have passed through. So they come to an awareness of having it, and then she stops entertaining men who cannot honor her. The second step is that we guide them through emotional healing. Many relationship patterns are connected to unresolved emotional wounds. So inside the program, we help women heal from past heartbreak, rejection, betrayal, emotional dependency. When healing happens, clarity follows. At the Blissful Marriage Academy, our mission is to help women build emotionally healthy and spiritually guided relationships that reflect God's design for marriage. We combine faith, relationship psychology, emotional healing, and practical marriage preparation. Our academy is fully registered with CAC, and our programs guide singles through healing, identity transformation, preparation, and relationship readiness. This is not guesswork. This is structured relationship preparation. If what you've had today resonates with you, here is the next step. You can join the Chosen for Love and Marriage Group Guided Program. This program is designed specifically for Christian single women who want to prepare intentionally for marriage by healing from their past baggages, by healing from heartbreaks, by healing from rejection, by healing from significant emotional experiences, and by healing through things they have passed through that is impacting who they have become. So inside this program, you will learn how to heal emotional wounds affecting your relationship, how to discover your identity in Christ, how to position yourself for a healthy marriage. This program is valued as 300,000, but you are not going to pay that. The investment for today is 100,000. And one thing is that when you enroll today, you also receive 2 bonus e-books completely free. What are the names of these e-books you will get? The first one is Finding Your God-Ordained Partner. And the second one is Why You Marry Who You Don't Trust. So today you have 2 choices. You can continue navigating relationship through trial and error, or you can choose preparation and wisdom. So if you are ready to take the next steps, click the link on your screen. Click https theblissfulmarriageacademy.seller.com/chosen for love and marriage program. And I will see you inside Chosen for Love and Marriage. Because the goal is not just to get married. The goal is to build a marriage that reflects God's design. So today you have 2 choices. It's either you continue the way you have been and keep doing what you have been doing that have been failing, or you join the program to learn things that will help you. And one other thing I want you to know is that the Blissful Marriage Academy is fully registered with CAC. The Blissful Marriage Academy has a website. So when you type www.theblissfulmarriageacademy.com, you will see our digital footprints there. We are also on Seller, www.theblissfulmarriageacademy.seller.com. That is where our shop is. And also on Instagram, we are the Blissful Marriage Academy. And one other thing I want to say is that marriage requires preparation. And before you can even attract the right person that you need to, you must be emotionally healed. Because some of the baggages we carry actually has impact on who we attract. It has impact on how we do relationships. So when you go through your relationship, when you are healed emotionally, when you are healed physically, when you are healed and you are wholesome, you start attracting from a place of wholesomeness. So like I said before, the value for this program is 300,000. Because in this program, you get the guidance, you get the frameworks, you will get the community, the support, and you get coaching and mentoring. Inside this program, we will not allow you to work alone. So the value of the program is way above 300,000. But you are not going to pay that. What you will pay today is 100,000. And when you pay this 100,000, you will receive 2 bonus ebooks completely free. Finding Your God-Ordained Partner and Why You Marry Who You Don't Trust. So, like I said before, you have 2 choices. You can continue navigating relationship through trial and error, or you can choose preparation and wisdom. So, if you are ready to take the next step, click the link below, www.theblissfulmarriageacademy.com/chosen for love and marriage program, and join the program there. I will see you inside Chosen for Love and Marriage program, because the goal is to get you ready to attract the kind of person that you deserve, and not to attract from a place of unwholeness, but rather to attract from a place of hopefulness. See you on the inside.